In this tutorial, we're looking at how to change the order in which your defined styles appear in the Quick Style Gallery. Depending on what styles you use, if you might never use the Greek style, for example, you might want to have all of your subheadings up here at the front, or if you've added, for example, the bibliography style or the notes style to your gallery, then you might want to promote those up to the front, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this tutorial. What we need to do is come up to the ribbon, to the Styles group, click on this button on the bottom right of the Styles group. That brings up your styles, your list of styles, the Styles window. Then you come down here to the bottom, you have these three buttons. The button on the far right is Manage Styles, so we'll click on that to bring up the Manage Styles window. And you want to make sure that you're showing the recommended tab. What that does is it gives you a list of all the styles in the document. The ones that are grayed out are hidden, so they're either always hidden or they're hidden until you use them for the first time. But the styles that are in the black text are styles that show up in this list. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change. Right now they're ordered alphabetically, but you see some of them have a number next to them, and so that's a rank. We're going to now sort them as recommended. Come back up to the top of the list, and you see body text has a rank of 1, chapter number, headings, and these headings are your first, second, third level subheadings, and so on. So what we need to do, for example, if we want to put the note style at the top of the list, we're going to need to actually demote the heading styles. So I'll select those, and then I will come down here to set the priority, and I will move these down one rank, make them a rank of 2. Then I'm going to find the note style, which has a rank of 2, and I'm going to move it up to rank of 1. And if you want to maintain these settings in the template, so when you begin a new document that it will have these same settings, you want to hit this radio button and then hit OK. And you see the note style was here. This is the last pane of the Quick Style Gallery, but it's going to now show up on the first pane in alphabetical order according to rank first, then alphabetical order. So you can adjust those settings however you want, and depending on how often you use each of the different styles, you can rank them in a way that's convenient for you.